What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and in this episode I want to talk to you guys about how to get rich in this recession, because let's face it, guys, we're in the thick of it. We are in a recession. I don't care what the news is saying. Let's go. I'm gonna show you guys some tips, tricks to make sure you guys really succeed and crush through this recession. So guys, a lot of people think recessions mean everything pulling back, but I disagree. During this recession, during any recession, is actually the best time to start and really grow your riches. So let's begin with step number one. You gotta start becoming a little bit more frugal. Now is not the time to be buying LV belts, Rolex watches, and nice fancy cars, because all those things will not make you money. It's gonna cost you money that you could be using towards a business. And that leads me to my second point, which is now is the time to start a business. So guys, right now is not the time to be blowing your money. You need to save your money. And if you watch till the end of the video, stay tuned, because I'm gonna show you what to do with all that money you're saving. Number two is to build a business. Now is actually the best time for you to start a business, because during a recession, all those big companies, all your competitors are actually scaling back their marketing spend, which allows you to really penetrate the market and stand out. So start now, guys. So during this time, I would be starting something easy like a service-based business, right? I'm gonna use real estate as an example, because that's what I do and that's what I specialize in. So as a real estate agent, now is when people are pulling back and the ad spends are getting a little bit cheaper. Some of the big competitors are pulling back, and that allows you to really stand out. If you market right now, I guarantee you can start capitalizing on all their business. People are jumping out of the industry, which will allow for you to really stand out. So look, right now, if I were a new young kid starting out, I would get into something like social media management, which is right now. People need that because small businesses need to stand out. You can definitely be that person to fill that void. And it's super easy because the marketing spends are down, so it wouldn't be hard for you to spend a little bit of money and get in front of a big audience, right? Now is a great time to become a real estate agent, because everybody is starting to get out. A lot of people are starting to fail, and if you can get in and work hard, you will dominate. Honestly, in this day and age, there's so many ways for you to make money. There's so many industries, ad agencies, and all the likes of that. Like, there is a need for you guys, and now is your time to really begin. Let's go. Guys, step number three is actually the most crucial, but this requires you guys to actually have a little bit of money. Remember how I told you guys to save your money? This is where you park it. So look, for the first time in the last 4 or 5 years, the stock market is down bad. Real estate is starting to drop pretty bad. And why is that good? That's good because if you're buying stocks, you can buy some great stocks at a deep discount. But I'm not even gonna advise you guys on buying stocks. I want you guys to buy real estate, because over time, we know real estate always bounces back. Real estate always performs, but it is crucial that right now you buy it for a discount. Homes are starting to sit, apartments are starting to sit, they are not moving. So what do? Go in, talk to the seller, and get it for 20, 30% off. And you guys are gonna be like, well, how do you do that? Well, guys, learn the conversation, learn how to have these conversations and ask them, because the news is actually on your side. Every day, the news is coming out and saying that the market is crashing, the market's going down. So if that's happening, guys, guess what conversation you should be having with sellers? Hey guys, look, I can't buy it for $100,000, right? I think right now I can only offer you 70, and if you're the only person making the offer, and if that is the only offer they're getting, that is the price, guys. And sellers are getting more and more desperate. They will start taking these low prices. I can guarantee it. The final step, number 4, is to start investing in relationships, because that, guys, is the new currency. Who you network with, who you know, will get you way further than what you know, guys. So start getting out there, go to networking events and meet some top players, some real estate agents, some realtors, some investors, some business owners, because those guys were gonna be the ones who bring you all the opportunities that are gonna allow you to get out of this recession and become super, super wealthy, guys. Invest in these things that I just said, and I promise you, you're gonna make out just okay. Let's go, guys. Guys, thanks so much for watching the whole video. Again, I wanna leave you guys with this message. There is a light at the end of this tunnel. Do not let the news spin this recession like it's the worst thing that ever happened. If you do what I just told you and you guys really focus and hone in on those 4 steps, you guys are gonna be just fine. I can guarantee it. Let's go, guys. Like and follow for more.